You might have followers on social media, but do you have customers?
Ooh, that's a big difference. Kajabi can help you create. Social media is where people discover you, but Kajabi is where those people become subscribers and then buyers.
Right. Kajabi gives you landing pages to invite people off socials, email to keep building the relationship, products and offers to buy, checkout pages that actually convert.
So instead of just posting content and hoping for the best and not getting results, by the way, you have a clear path for someone to take with you.
And while Kajabi is on sale, this is the perfect time to stop relying on algorithms and start building your own platform.
When you use our Kajabi affiliate link, you also get 1 year in website royalty, our private group where we show you how to connect the dots between your content and your Kajabi offers.
We'll help you create a simple freebie or lead magnet, build the opt in page and thank you page, write the follow up emails, and connect those emails to an actual offer.
So your followers have somewhere to go next after they like your post or watch your live.
If you're ready to turn followers into customers, get Kajabi while it's on sale, save yourself some money, and we'll see you inside website royalty.
The link is in the description, or you can use the QR code above, or even go to mysexybusiness.com. Start your Kajabi account on the sale, and then reach out so we can get you into the group.